All right, guys, so we have this viral video from TikTok about this Uber rider, or this Uber driver, excuse me, who did a Walmart pickup, no tip. This is the craziest ride I've ever heard. I want to hear from you. What would you do if this was you as a driver and you got this passenger? Let's watch this video together.
I pulled up to the front of Walmart to pick these people up. It was 3 adults and 3 shopping carts filled with groceries. So the guy came to my window and said, "Hey, can we use your trunk?" And I said, "Yeah, sure." So I popped the trunk, I got out, and I was like, "I don't think all this stuff is gonna fit in my car. I have a small car." And he was like, "Well, we have to make it fit because there's no other Ubers out and we need to get home." And I was like, "Well, go ahead and try." So they filled the back seat and left spots for 2 of them to sit. And 1 person sat in the front seat. They all had bags on their laps and my trunk was filled.
Okay, first and foremost, I probably would have canceled that ride if I pulled up and saw somebody with 3 grocery carts full of groceries at Walmart. Rule number 1 of driving Uber, never do Walmart pickups. Okay, they're cheap people. No, I'm just kidding. I shop at Walmart too.
So as we start driving out of the Walmart parking lot, the woman said, "Hey, I don't know if you noticed on the app or not, but we're stopping at Taco Bell." And I was
stopping at Taco Bell too? What else do they need? Don't they got enough groceries?
like, "We are?" And I didn't see it on the app, but they did update. Anyway, we get to where you order the food at the drive-thru, and the woman wanted me to order it. I said, "Yeah, I'm not going to order it. I'm going to pull ahead so you can order it through the back window."
These people sound very demanding.
So they did. They ordered $49 worth of food from Taco Bell after my whole car was filled with groceries.
What are you, feeding a whole Mexican village? Sorry, I'm Mexican, okay? I think I could say that.
So we get to their house and they asked if I could back into the driveway.
What are you, feeding my whole family? Is that a better thing to say?
And I said, "Yeah, sure." And she said, "Well, if you're backing up, you might as well just back into the carport, and then we don't have to carry the groceries. We can just unload it right into our door." And I was like, "I'm not backing into the carport." So I waited while they unloaded the car, and I drove away. All of that nonsense for $5.69 and no tip.
What would you do if you got this ride?